This is Steve Robbins. Welcome to the Get It Done Guys, quick and dirty tips to work less and do more. The wonderful thing about the World Wide Web is that all human knowledge is out there somewhere just ripe for the picking. The less than wonderful thing about the World Wide Web is that all human propaganda, deception, crackpots, and conspiracy theories are also out there just ripe for the picking. And since it's so much easier to make up nonsense than it is to create genuine content, well, when we find the genuine good stuff, we need to keep track of it. And that is why God invented browser bookmarks. Or maybe Netscape invented them. I'm really not quite sure which came first. Websites are complicated. If there's a website that you use a lot, for example, one that lets you communicate privately with the accountant who handles your secret corporation in the Cayman Islands, well, come on, you know you have one, you just bookmark that site. The next time you need to inject some working capital, you just choose that bookmark, log in, choose the Manage Your Money tab, click the Make a Deposit button, select the Deposit from Domestic Entity drop-down choice, highlight your current checking account number, and then click Proceed to get to the screen where you can finally enter an actual number. Every single time you want to deposit money, you go through this entire glorious routine. Bookmark interior pages. Depending on how the site was created, it is possible that you can navigate all the way to the Enter Amount page and then just bookmark that page before you enter the amount. Then, when you want to make a deposit, you simply fire off that bookmark and you end up at the page where you can enter the amount. Now, you probably need to be logged in to access an interior page like that. And sometimes the attempt to access the interior page will take you through a login screen, and once you've authenticated yourself, it'll take you back to the Enter Amount page. But other times, you have to re-navigate there after logging in because logging in leaves you at some generic dashboard, which makes bookmarking the interior page pretty useless. Unless bookmark both the login page and the interior page. When you want to get to the Enter Amount page, first go to the login page and log in, and then just click the Enter Amount bookmark. Now that you've logged in, it should go straight there. Now, this doesn't work on all websites. Some website developers don't know anything about usability, and they love the idea of forcing you to go through a dozen of their screens in order to accomplish a simple task. But for many websites, this technique works. I use this to bookmark all kinds of things. Online catalog product pages for products that I love and want to reorder in the future, the specific account screens in my online banking, the customized report screen for generating attendee lists for my Do It Days, and if you don't know about my free Do It Days, check out doitdays.com, the latest article that I've read in an archive screen of a 10-year blog that I'm trying to read a little at a time, and every time I read an article, I simply replace the bookmark with a bookmark to the next article. Bookmarking interior pages, however, is only the first step to establishing total world domination. The more things migrate to the web, the more we open lots of tabs at once. If you're working on your monthly accounts, you might have a credit card website open, your bank website, your online invoicing service, your cryptocurrency wallet, the instant message to your Cayman Islands dude, and the reorder page for the international banana grower conglomerate that supplies your banana stand. Oh, come on, you know you have one. Every time you need to start shuffling money around, you have to open up all of those tabs again. Yay! Bookmark and open all of those pages at once. When you have several pages you use together, you can create a folder of bookmarks in your browser. First, open up a new browser window, and then open all of the pages you need to reference as tabs in that browser window. If you're using Safari, you can choose Bookmarks, add bookmarks for these tabs, and then Safari will create a folder in your bookmarks with bookmarks for all the currently open tabs. If you're using Google Chrome, you can also do that by choosing Bookmarks, bookmark all tabs. Give the bookmark folder a name like Monthly Accounting or Finance, or if you're feeling oh so funny and carefree, Money Cleaning. Oh, come on, you know you do it. Now, when that special time of the month comes around, you can close all the doors and pull the blinds, turn the lights down low, and then right-click on the folder in your bookmarks bar. Choose the option Open in New Tabs or Open All in New Window, and voila! You have all the tabs open ready to go. If any of the tabs you need require login, bookmark both the interior page and the login page, and then after opening all the tabs, log in on the login page and just refresh the interior page and you'll be up and running. If you find right-clicking, of course, to be agonizingly slow, Safari users can do an even neater trick. Just right-click the Bookmarks folder and choose Automatically Replace Tabs. And from then on, if you click that folder, instead of dropping down and letting you see the interior bookmarks, it will instantly close all of the tabs in the current window and open all of the tabs in that Bookmarks folder instantly. So save bookmark folders for everything you do. You can streamline lots of different tasks. Website maintenance. I maintain several WordPress blogs, and I have a folder with bookmarks to all of the update to latest version pages. So when a new version comes out, one click, all of my update pages open up, and I just click through to make sure that every site has its latest updates. Analytics. My websites all have analytics so that I know which topics people read and which ones they don't. I use several different analytics plugins and platforms. One click and up come the statistics and the heat maps on all of the different analytics platforms I use. Research. Since we are all devoted to the truth, even if it disagrees with our preconceived notions and beliefs, you can set up a folder with several high-quality news sources, scientific journals, and fact-checking sites like Snopes.com, factcheck.org, and PolitiFact.com, and with one click, you're up and ready to research to find out the truth. Travel. When you're traveling to a far-off land, create a bookmarks folder with all of your itineraries, your web pages to restaurants and travel destinations, hotel listings, local casinos, and of course, anonymous money wiring locations. The web gives you the ability to surf far and wide. Use it. Bookmark not only the front pages of sites that you use, but also the login screens and the inner pages. And then group the bookmarks you often use together into bookmarks folder. And then a single click can bring up everything you need to make serious progress on your little Cayman Islands project. I'm Steve Robbins. Follow Get It Done Guy on Twitter and Facebook. If you're self-employed or run a small business and you want to finish certain tasks or projects more quickly, check out my Get It Done groups, which provide support and accountability for blasting through your blocks. Learn more at getitdonegroups.com or join my personal email list by texting Get It Done to 33444. Plus, you'll get a free copy of my secret book chapter on how to build relationships that help you succeed. If you enjoy this podcast, please leave an honest review on iTunes at itunes.com/getitdoneguy. Reviews really help a lot. Work less, do more, and have a great life.